They perform mission-critical duty aboard F-18 jet fighters, on military helicopters like the Apache and the Black Hawk, on commercial jetliners, on offshore oil rigs and pipelines, in chemical processing tanks and transport, and in the semiconductor and biopharmaceutical industries. The unique solutions provided by Colorado's RMB products do all of that and more, while saving their customers money. Lots of it.
We generally compete against alternative technologies, and in a lot of cases, we're able to lower the costs, either again, capital costs or operating costs, by anywhere from 50 to 75% versus what they may already be doing.
RMB serves Fortune 500 companies in the aerospace, chemical processing, semiconductor and biopharmaceutical industries, competing against firms that make composites or exotic metal alloys or welded plastics.
Well, we're more cost effective than many of those alternatives, or we provide a superior product that has higher durability and more reliability, so the total cost ownership is where we win out in those cases.
RMB employs several technologies to create its products. Rotational molding, to create seamless plastic parts from molds for a wide range of applications. Powdered plastic polymers are introduced into the mold, rotated on 2 axes, heated to create a uniform layer, and cooled. Rotational lining, to create seamless plastic linings for a wide range of pipes and vessels provided by the customer or fabricated in-house at RMB. And laser sintering, a 3D CAD design of a product such as an air duct is fed directly into the machine. Then a high-powered laser fuses the polymer powder, 5/1000ths of an inch at a time, to create exactly what's contained in the CAD file. No tooling required, and the process can manufacture complicated internal geometries. A few thousand passes later, a block of powder emerges. The product is excavated from the block, and excess powder is recycled.
One of the other big benefits with the laser sintering process is that you can get internal geometries, internal features on the parts that you couldn't get with any other molding process. So internal baffles, for example, or parts that move with each other that would be very difficult to do in one piece.
Part count reduction in seamless pipes and tanks are crucial for industry applications that depend on environmental purity to minimize or eliminate the possibility of contamination. Welded products create seams that entrap contaminants.
Corrosion wastes millions and millions of dollars for some of these chemical plants because they have to shut down, and shutdowns are very expensive. We can extend that life. We've seen lifespans up to 15 to 20 years in some of our parts.
RMB does not produce products in high volumes. Instead, it specializes in low-volume specific solutions its customers can't get anywhere else. And RMB provides a turnkey solution, from fabricating metal, creating molds for parts, and engineering and design to assembly of complete complex parts.
We are more of a niche, supplying the customer what they need when they need 1, 2, 5, and we've done hundreds of things, but the majority of the stuff we do is very specific to a need.
And while the industries RMB serves are diverse, the fundamental requirements for aerospace, chemical processing, semiconductor, and biopharmaceutical are pretty much the same.
Those 4 industries really have the same characteristics, where they have very demanding quality expectations, where if there's a product failure, it can be catastrophic. And that's where we've invested a lot in our engineering, manufacturing capabilities, our quality systems, to make sure that we can meet the customer's quality expectations.